Pinterest. What a wonderful place where I find many DIY projects I want to do, and especially these. So why not give my take on it? Come along and see how easy I can make it look or something. So at first, I just found some books I hated, found some screws, I couldn't find my nails. They're just gone. I don't know where it happened. And then my screwdriver. And then some wood I just had lying around. I wanted to use one thick piece of wood, but I only have these two small pieces of wood where I have no idea where I got them from. I painted one white because I had a project in mind, but now I don't know what the project was. So, what are you gonna do? So first I am just placing the books where I think it would be a great place to have them. I had 4 big books and 2 small books, and I was like, why not put the big books in the sides and the small books in the middle? Luckily, I had 6 books that I hated. Evil books. I read all the books and I hated every single one of them. So I was like, instead of giving them away or selling them, I was like, let's just kill them, make them into art. So much better. I am so happy I did that. And I'm just seeing where the screws should be. And then I'm packing up all the books again. And starting with one book because why start with all of them? And I just keep fiddling around where they should be. I take one page away from the place I want to put the screw because then I can cover up the page, cover up the screw so you don't see the screw or a nail. If you use nails, do use nails because this is so problematic. I never remember what way I should turn it. It's so confusing. I am not good with tools, but I do try, and I think I need points for effort. It was so frustrating screwing in the book because the pages want to go with the flow of the screw and not stay in place like wood would. But in the end, it turned out great. I did have some problems about where I wanted them to stay, the books. Really confused because what if I did it wrong? I mean, I only have one shot at this, so just fiddling around. It's really hard getting through the book at first, but you get used to it. I really think it would have been easier if I just had found my nails instead of just giving up. I gave up very fast looking for the nails. Still don't get where they are. I mean, they can't just disappear, can they? I couldn't get the last bit, so I had to find my regular screwdriver instead of the electrical one. It helped a lot. I mean, I didn't know that hand power could be so efficient. I am not good with tools, but I am getting better. And then I am just, when I'm done screwing the page on, then I'm just gonna glue it on. You can't even see what I'm doing, can you? There. Always fiddling around with the camera angle. I'm new at this, it's fine. So yeah, not much to it actually. And then I'm just placing the rest of the books without thinking about changing the camera angle back. It's fine. After like 4 screws, I found out it's easier to screw the pages down to the wood when I have some weight on the pages because they're alive. So rude of them. I mean, why are they so annoying? I don't know. It's strange. But it does help. I mean, look how pretty it... Oh, that is so satisfying. Oh, that's pretty. And then I'm just turning another page. in a horrible book that's now art. So I'm just gonna... Pages are so alive. I'm just gonna glue it with a glue stick. Not hot glue. Don't use hot glue for this. That would be stupid. Don't use hot glue. It's just paste. Just normal glue. And I'm gluing around the screw. Not on the screw. That would be silly. And I ended up gluing every other page, because I wanted everything to stay in place forever. Look how pretty. And here's the end result. Isn't that beautiful? I am thinking about cutting out some paper, butterflies out of paper, and let them fly across the books, but for now it's just... I mean, if you look at how close I put this candle, that's a little scary, actually. I think I might have to move it. That's a little scary. But thanks for watching this very short video, apparently. And I hope to see you next. Subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. Bye!